Hey guys, Method90 here. Today is Sunday, July 24th, and this is day 2 of my Sabo trip. And right now, we're actually at a nature trail right now, near Owen Sound. I don't know exactly what this is called, but it's a little nature trail. And this is actually one of the pathways. It's like literally rocks, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go on this side. But I hope you guys are having a good day today. Let me know in the comments how your day's going. I'm having an okay day. It's not bad. It's pretty nice out today. It's nice and sunny. I think it's like 24 today. And it's sunny, so it's actually pretty nice out today. It's really nice. Oh yeah. But earlier today, guys, it was actually pretty chilly. Like earlier today, it was like, I think it was like 22, which I know it doesn't sound any cooler, but it actually felt kind of like cooler a little bit. Yeah, like I was actually like wearing a sweater and all that. It was cloudy, so it was like kind of chilly earlier. Yeah. So we're just walking down this trail, you guys. I think this has waterfalls. I think it does. It probably doesn't, but it's not bad. I feel this trail, guys, is like kind of like a little skinny, like too thin, like really skinny. Yeah. And this trail is mostly made up of rocks, which is actually not bad. So yeah. We went to Owen Sound, and we actually went to Walmart and actually got a new T-shirt. I'll show you guys when we get back. And I also got Shinedown's new album Planet Zero CD at Walmart. Hey. But yeah. So that was good. Owen Sound's actually not bad of a town. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, Owen Sound kind of reminds me of Wallaceburg a little bit. Just a little bit bigger and a little bit better. Like, looks a little nicer. So, yeah. Oh, guys, look at that. That is beautiful. Check out this view, guys. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh, yeah. I'm going to pause it for a second, guys. I'm going to take a couple pictures. See you in a second. Alright, guys. Sorry, I'm back. I just want to take a couple pictures. But yeah, guys. Now we're going into the woods. Let's go. Now, guys. For the vlog what the fuck was that? For the vlog I made yesterday, guys, apparently it was taking so long to upload. I think it's because like at the cottage we were staying at, and the Wi-Fi, it was kind of going really slow. I had a similar problem like when I was uploading the Victoria Day vlog in Florida. I actually had something like a problem similar to that. But I feel like if I try to upload that video again, it would probably do the same thing. So I think I might either wait until I get home, like back in Chatham, to upload the vlogs, or I'll probably wait and see. Maybe I'll try again when I get back. Yeah. But yeah, hope you guys are having a good day though. This is day 2 of the trip, Sunday fun day. So hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hopefully the weather in Chatham is nice today. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. But yeah, guys, look at this. Oh, this is a nice view right here. Oh yeah, this is a gorgeous view. So I think after this we're probably gonna head back to the cottage, guys, and maybe I'll probably ride down to the beach after, like ride my bike to the Sabo beach after. Oh guys, look, there's a little staircase right here. We're gonna go up the stairs. Go up the wooden stairs. Let's go up the stairs, guys. It's literally like wooden stairs. Hey guys, look at this. It's like literally wooden stairs.
This is nice. How cool.
Oh yeah, guys, take a look at that view. Look at that. That is nice. Oh yeah, I'm actually having an orange Gatorade. So now we're gonna go up. Now we're gonna go up a rock staircase, guys. Sorry. Yeah, guys, going up a rock staircase now. It's my family. Yeah. So we're going up this now, guys. I'm not sure where this leads to, but this might be cool. Look at these wooden stairs. My name's Bear Grove.
Big Ruth.
Yeah. It's like, my name's Big Ruth. Oh, guys, look at this view. Damn. It really came all the way from down there. Still got some ways to go up here.
Holy shit balls.
And the trail literally continues down here. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Like, we're so high up, guys. Literally, we're so high up. What the? Take a look at that view. Wow. It's all the way down here. Chewbacca. Oh god. Oh yeah, guys, I think we're gonna get more good views here. Oh guys, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. That is such high up. That's so high up. Damn. Oh, guys, look at this. Well, that kind of gets me like nervous a little bit. Oh god. So we're gonna go down the trail more, guys. It's not gonna be a long vlog, guys. It's just me a little vlog. Oh, guys, look at that. Wow, guys, that's pretty nice. Okay, so I think this trail does continue for a while, though. Yeah. Yeah, it is pretty deep, guys. That's pretty steep right there. So just walking down the trails a little bit more. It's pretty nice here. It's pretty nice. But yeah, maybe when I get back to the cottage, I'll probably try and upload the vlog from yesterday. And after that, if it does get uploaded, then I'll vlog this. Then I'll upload this vlog. So yeah. But yeah.
Oh, there's a piece of green stuck in my foot. What? Oh.
Hey guys, would it be really cool if I saw a snake here? Well, that'd be kind of cool. Look at this, guys. There's like a really like a cliff along the thing here. So yeah, guys, we're just going down this little pathway right now. Not too bad. Over there. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Look how cool this looks. Wow.
Hey, hon? I just smell the water. Stay back. You guys are dicks.
Oh.
He pushed me to the cliff twice.
I didn't do that. Dick move. You gotta stand out on this rock 100 fucking feet up. Look at that. Go look at that. It's like...
It's not even that high. That would be high.
Oh, yeah?
Let's sit on that. Wow.
This is why you never want to go to my camp.
I think there's a little bit more right here. I wonder if we're gonna get like really nice cliff view, guys. Ooh. Let's see if there is.
No, there's another fall. Are you sure? Yeah, when I go back to the mountain.
Oh, guys, there's a waterfall up ahead.
Oh, wow.
Bro. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that waterfall. Hey. Hang on, I'm gonna take a quick picture. I'll be right back. Alright guys, well right now I'm on my back deck right now. Sorry if this vlog's gonna be ending very late. It's about 1:45 right now. I'm just on my back deck right now. See, this is the living room right there, our kitchen. So yeah guys, sorry if this vlog's gonna be kinda late, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on. If you guys want to check out yesterday's vlog, well, I haven't uploaded that yet. I'm gonna be uploading that tonight, but go check it out when it's uploaded. I'll be posting this vlog right after that. Tell you the truth, guys. I tried to upload the vlog from yesterday, or today, but it kept being so slow to upload. Like I checked this morning, and it was still uploading. So I'm gonna try and upload it again tonight. Hopefully it uploads, and hopefully it actually gets up there. And hopefully, same with this vlog. Sorry if you can't see me. But yeah, guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram, my TikTok, and go check out my Railfan channel as well as my walking channel. All links will be in the description down below. Hope you guys have a great night. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Have a good day, everyone.